Welcome to this beginner's meditation. My name is Nikki and I'll be guiding you through this with simple instructions that you can easily follow, even if you've never meditated before. So first take a moment to get settled, whether you are lying down or seated. Make sure you're comfortable, but in a relaxed yet alert posture. So you want a straight spine and not leaning one way or the other or hunched over. A nice straight spine, and you can dip your chin slightly towards your chest. And if you haven't done so yet, you can close your eyes now. Now take a moment to be aware of how your body is feeling. Tune in, see if there are any sensations that perhaps you were not aware of before. Maybe a buzzing around your head or a tingling somewhere, an ache or pain or a tickle. Whatever is happening for you, just be aware of it with no judgment. Just be here in this present moment, experiencing what you're experiencing without trying to change anything. And next we're going to take 3 deep breaths together. So for now, just keep breathing normally, but when we do these breaths, we're going to inhale slowly through the nose, sort of pushing your belly out as you do, not forcing it, but just allowing it to expand naturally. And then when you exhale, you're going to do so through parted lips by sighing the breath out. And this is really just to help calm the body and mind and prepare them for stillness. And so we're going to do that now. On your last exhalation, empty your lungs completely, and then through the nose take a smooth, deep breath in, letting the belly expand, and then open your mouth and sigh it out. And then close your lips, and again through the nose, a slow, deep, steady breath in, and then sigh it out. And one last time through the nose, a deep, smooth, beautiful breath in, filling the lungs, and then sigh the breath out. And now you can let your breathing return to normal, maybe a bit slower, a bit deeper than normal. And this time we're going to keep the lips together and breathe through the nose, so you might want to lick your lips to moisten them. And then take slow and steady breaths that are calming, that feel natural and supportive. And as you breathe, see if you can let go of any expectation you may have of this meditation, of yourself. Just let it go. Let go of any judgment you may have of this meditation or of yourself, my voice, any funny noises you hear. Just let it go. And let go of anything that doesn't serve you in this moment. Let it go with your exhalation. Make sure your body is relaxed. We do this by just checking in, check your brow, relax any creases. Check your face, your jaw, relax any tension there. check your shoulders. Are they relaxed? You might want to roll your neck from side to side or roll your shoulders a few times. Check your arms, your hands are relaxed, your legs and feet. Let go of any tension you may be holding on to. There's nothing to figure out in this moment, no problems to solve. There's nothing special you need to do. You are just here now, just breathing. And so now, bring your attention, your awareness gently to your breathing. Not counting breaths, not naming or judging or thinking about the breath. Just resting your awareness on your breathing. Air moving out of your nostrils. Oxygen moving through your lungs, the rise and fall of your abdomen as you breathe. For this meditation, your breath is your support, your anchor. It's the place you can come back to when you notice yourself drifting off or zoning out or engaging with your thoughts. So just breathe in and out and give your attention to your direct experience of breathing. And what you're doing is training the mind to be with one experience without distraction. And the one experience right now is breathing. So we're going to do that now. Just sit and breathe. Breathing in and breathing out. And resting your awareness on the experience of breathing. Now you may notice that you are having a lot of thoughts. So don't judge yourself, don't judge the thoughts. Thoughts will come because you are human. Your job is not to push them away, not to engage with them either. You can just observe the thought as it appears and then return your awareness to your breath. Another thought will come and another. You simply notice the thought and return your awareness to your breath. So you may think, I am hungry. You can latch onto that thought and engage with that thought by thinking about what you might eat or when, and before you know it, you're off on a tangent of thoughts. Or you can simply notice the thought. I am hungry. I had a thought. Let the thought go by returning your awareness back to the breath. And so we're going to practice that again now. Just observing your thoughts as they come in, and then gently letting them go, and returning awareness and attention to the breath. We're allowing the thoughts to flow like the breath. They come in, they go out. If you have drifted off or found yourself engaging with thoughts of the past or the future, simply return your awareness to the present moment, to what you are doing. You are breathing. You are just being and breathing. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, and breathing out. That is all you are doing. And so that is the only place where your awareness should be. And as thoughts try to distract you, you just acknowledge them and return your awareness back to what you're doing. Breathing. Last moments, see if you can send a message, a feeling of loving kindness and compassion to your heart space. Just breathe into your heart space, sending love, and at the same time allow that heart space to receive the loving kindness. Allow there to be a smile in your heart, maybe even a smile on your lips. We'll take one final deep breath in together. So empty your lungs and then take a slow, steady, deep breath in through the nose. And for the last time, sigh the breath out, letting go of anything that doesn't serve you as you continue with your day. You can return to this meditation anytime you like. You can practice just like this anytime you like. Well done for giving yourself this time, and thank you so much for joining me. I invite you to spend the next few moments in silence, and then when you're ready, blink your eyes open and see if you can take some of the calmness you may be feeling with you as you continue your day. Thank you.